Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll be addressing a common issue with the Lenovo Legion 5, a damaged CPU regulator. This problem can lead to overheating and reduced performance, so let's get started on the repair process. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver, size 00. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. ESD strap, to prevent static damage. 4. Thermal paste, for reapplication. 5. Isopropyl alcohol, for cleaning. 6. Compressed air canister, for dust removal. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Wear your ESD strap to protect sensitive components from static electricity. Step 2. Open the laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the Lenovo Legion 5. Keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size. Gently pry open the back panel, being cautious of the clips holding it in place. Step 3. Locate the CPU regulator. Once the back panel is removed, locate the CPU regulator. It's typically close to the CPU itself. Inspect for any visible signs of damage, such as burn marks or corrosion. Step 4. Clean the area. Use the compressed air canister to blow out any dust or debris around the CPU and regulator. This will help you see better and ensure no contaminants interfere with the repair. Step 5. Remove the damaged regulator. Carefully unscrew the damaged CPU regulator using your Phillips screwdriver. If it's soldered onto the motherboard, you may need a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Be very careful not to damage surrounding components. Step 6. Install the new regulator. Position the new CPU regulator in place. If you're not comfortable with the installation, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help ensure that the repair is done correctly. Secure it with screws. Step 7. Reapply thermal paste. Before reassembling, clean the CPU surface with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the CPU to enhance heat dissipation. Step 8. Reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel on the laptop, ensuring all clips are engaged. Reinsert and tighten the screws you removed earlier. Step 9. Test the laptop. Power on your Lenovo Legion 5 and monitor its performance. Check the CPU temperatures using software tools to ensure it operates within the normal range. If you're not equipped to handle this process, keep in mind we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free. Step 10. Final thoughts. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to assist you without requiring any calls or travel on your part. Always prioritize safety and ensure that you're comfortable with each step before proceeding. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.